Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm here with another daily meditation for you. Once again, find yourself a nice, comfortable seat or comfortable position on the ground or on your bed. I meant to say lying down, not on the ground, but lying down, seated, it's completely up to you. If you want, you can always have a journal handy for anything that might come up during the meditation, after the meditation. Know that these meditations are yours to do what you want and what you need with them. So if midway through a meditation, something comes up that you feel you just have to write down, allow yourself to write it down. But also keep in mind that you don't need to write down every little thing that pops into your mind. So try and find that discipline between the wandering mind, the thinking mind, and the calm mind, the mind that you know that you can observe your thoughts inside of. All right, let's get started. So find your position, whether it's seated or lying down. Just start to get nice and comfortable. Get any fidgets out. Reposition the body, the clothes, anything that you need to get yourself nice and comfy. And we're just going to do a quick body scan. Just taking a quick moment to really observe how we're feeling in this moment. Remember, we're not going to pass any judgment or make any assumptions on anything that does arise. We're just simply noticing. We're just going to start at the top of the head, at the crown of the head. Maybe you can feel that area. Just notice how it feels. Notice how your mind feels. Is it busy? Is it thinking? Is it quiet? Calm? Is it intrusive? Disruptive? Remember, we're just observing. We don't have to attach ourselves to the whys, what ifs, hows. Just noticing how the mind feels right now. And notice the ears. Maybe you can feel a slight breeze or your hair on them. Maybe you even notice a sound or two that the ear can hear. Once again, you do not have to attach yourself to the sound, trying to figure out where it came from, why it's happening. Just noticing what you heard. And then take your attention to your jawline. Is it relaxed? Is it clenched? Once again, making adjustments as you need. Unclenching the jaw if that's what serves you. Remembering you don't need to attach to why the jaw is clenched or why it's not. We're just observing how the body is right now. And then taking the attention to the neck. Notice if it's long, if it's scrunched up. Make your way to your shoulders. Are they relaxed down your spine? Are they scrunched up by the ears? No matter where they are, we're just observing. There is no right or wrong. Make your way to your chest, noticing the rise and fall of it as you breathe. Maybe you can even feel your heartbeat. And then traveling down to the belly, noticing the rise and fall of your breath. Maybe you have a feeling in the pit of your stomach. Maybe you're hungry. Maybe you're full. Just noticing. Traveling down to your hips. Noticing if they're relaxed. Traveling to the thighs, the top of the thighs, the back of the thighs, the back of the knees, the front of your knees, your calves, the shin bone, the ankles, the foot, your toes, and making your way to the arms. Just noticing your biceps. If you're lying down, maybe you can feel them resting on whatever is underneath you. Notice your elbow, your forearm, the wrist, the hand, and then your fingertips. Let your storms subside. Watch the pounding surf. Watch the waves lap against the shore, their beginnings somewhere far out to sea, their beginnings in a storm we might never see. Know your oneness with those waves, with the water at the seas. Your emotions are like the surf. Sometimes they pound gently, sometimes fiercely. Sometimes the color is blue, sometimes gray. They may be the result of a storm, sometimes a squall far away. Let them pound, let them pass through, let them subside, let them turn into the next wave. Each emotion is connected to a belief embedded in your soul. I am abandoned. I am deserted. I am separated from God and love. But you are not your emotions. Your emotions don't control your life. No matter how fierce, no matter how strong, no matter how relentless, no matter at times how overwhelming. Let the emotions pass through. Feel all you need to feel. Say all you need to say to let the storm subside. Then pause, wait, rest. Let your body regroup and heal. You will have grown. You will have changed. And you'll be on your way to learning something new. Continue to lie here, observing your body, observing your thoughts, observing your feelings. Stay here for as long as you need, continuing to remind yourself you do not have to attach yourself You can simply let yourself feel your feelings, feel your emotions, hear your thoughts, see your thoughts, without letting them manifest into something. I hope you have an amazing rest of your practice, and I'll see you again here soon. Namaste.